Today I am reviewing the Sansui 24-inch curved gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone! Today we are diving deep into a budget-friendly gaming monitor that has been making serious waves for budget setups. The Sansui 24-inch 1500R curved gaming monitor, model ES-G24C1L. Now, if you are looking to upgrade your gaming or workstation setup without draining your wallet, finding the sweet spot between performance and price can feel like a massive headache. Sansui is attempting to solve that problem by packing an incredible number of premium features into a very affordable 24-inch frame. We are talking a smooth 160 Hz refresh rate, a tight 1500R curvature, FreeSync, and a high-contrast VA panel. But does it actually deliver when you boot up a game? Let's break down the specs, the unboxing, the visual performance, and the overall gaming experience to see if this monitor deserves a spot on your desk. Right out of the box, the first thing that catches your eye is that aggressive 1500R curve. On a 24-inch display, a lot of people wonder if a curve is even necessary. But let me tell you, it completely changes the dynamic. It brings the edges of the screen just a bit closer to your peripheral vision, wrapping the action around you. It feels incredibly immersive, whether you are tucked into a spreadsheet or diving into a chaotic battle royale. The build itself is clean and minimalist, sporting ultra-thin bezels on the top and sides, which makes it an excellent candidate for a dual-monitor setup. The included stand offers a decent tilt adjustment, ranging from -5 degrees to +15 degrees, letting you find a comfortable viewing angle. If you prefer to use a monitor arm, Sansui has you covered with Visa's 75 by 75 mm mounting support on the back. Just a quick heads up. This model does not have built-in speakers, but it does include a handy 3.5 mm audio jack, so you can easily route your sound to a headset or external desktop speakers. Moving on to the actual panel, this monitor uses a fast VA display with a full HD 1080p resolution. VA panels are famous for one major thing: contrast. And this one boasts a stellar 3,000:1 contrast ratio. What does that mean for you? It means blacks look deep and dark, instead of that washed out, muddy gray you often see on cheap IPS or TN panels. When you combine that contrast with its 300 nits of brightness and HDR support, media consumption is incredibly satisfying. Dark, atmospheric games look phenomenally moody, and horror games genuinely feel tense. Color accuracy is another massive surprise here. Sansui covers 110% of the sRGB color gamut, pushing out 16.7 million display colors. The images are punchy, vibrant, and surprisingly accurate for a monitor at this price tier. Now, let's talk about what you actually came here for: the gaming performance. This monitor is an absolute speed demon for the price. It pushes a blazing fast 160 Hz refresh rate over both the HDMI 2.0 port and the DisplayPort 1.4 connection. They even throw an HDMI cable in the box to get you up and running immediately. If you are upgrading from a standard 60 Hz office monitor, jumping to 160 Hz is going to blow your mind. Everything from panning your camera in a shooter to simply moving your mouse cursor across the desktop feels buttery smooth. To ensure that smoothness translates into a competitive edge, Sansui packed in a 1 millisecond MPRT response time to eliminate motion blur. They also included built-in FreeSync compatibility. FreeSync dynamically synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with your graphics card's frame rate, completely eliminating screen tearing and stuttering during intense, fast-paced action. On top of the raw speed, the monitor features an excellent on-screen display menu loaded with gamer-centric tools. You get built-in crosshair overlays for shooters, a game timer to track your objectives, a specialized black level adjustment to spot enemies hiding in dark corners, and pre-tuned modes for FPS and RTS gaming styles. Wrapping it all up, the Sansui 24-inch curved gaming monitor punches way above its price class. It successfully balances speed, contrast, and immersion into a compact, stylish package. Backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, a free replacement warranty, and lifetime technical support, it is an incredibly safe bet for any gamer. If you want fluid 160 Hz gameplay, rich colors, and a curved display that pulls you straight into the action without breaking the bank, This monitor is an absolute steal.